You see it?
You ready? Hello our dear friends and new visitors to our channel, Jean Truelove Quilts for you. Well, today outside we have 4 inches of snow just where we are, and alarms going off, people having exciting times. We hope no real difficulties, and we're nice and warm, ensconced in Jean's sewing room here, and I, Ian Truelove, are going to continue with the tours of your sewing rooms. Today we're going to be enjoying seeing quilter friend Laurie Mergill's sewing room, along with the help of her 2 4-legged furry friends in the photographs, as you'll see. I think it's a little dog and a little cat in the basket. So,
No.
Laurie.
No, I think it's 2 dogs. Which one do you think is a cat?
The ginger one?
No, I think it's a dog.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it's going to be insulting. Although there are 3 dog beds. Maybe she has 3 dogs.
All right. Well,
okay.
you can put us straight, Laurie,
Okay, put
in an email. Another email.
Another email.
Let's talk about your email right now. You say, "Hello, True Loves. Here's my story. I had 2 good-sized sewing rooms for many years. One was in a very large bedroom with a walk-in closet, and the other was in a sunroom we had built onto the back of the house. I had quite the collection of fabric after my mum died 8 years ago." Sorry to hear that. "Then my dad's wife, my stepmom of 55 years, passed away, and my dad could not take care of himself. He was in a bad shape. So I moved him in with me. He took the big room, and all my sewing stuff went into boxes." Where Jean and I can identify with sewing stuff in boxes. We've moved a few times, and it reminds me of we packed so many of your things into beautiful plastic containers for protection, and we rented a pod, didn't we? Had out on the driveway of the family home.
Yeah, that was the sad thing when sewing things get packed away. Hopefully they got taken out again.
Yes.
Oh, dear Laurie.
Especially for my Jean, she needs to have colour and
do.
shape and excitement every day. So here I am. I'm very exciting.
Is that it, really?
Well, maybe not. So Laurie, back to your email. She says, "We have a shed on the hill in the back of our house."
Should I put that picture up?
I think so.
Yeah. So let me just see. We can talk about it. So there's, what a lovely garden. Do you see that?
Wow.
That's lovely.
That reminds me of an English
I was going to say,
garden.
I don't think it's English.
No, but that's so typical of England. It looks just beautiful.
So
well, wow.
I know. Doesn't look like our garden.
No.
Doesn't look like our garden.
No.
Laura, you can come help us. And so I guess that grey shed in the back is
maybe that's it.
The shed, right?
As she says, we have a shed on the hill in the back.
Yes.
So my husband and I went to work. Sounds like your husband's really handy.
Yeah.
We got it all insulated, new floors, electricity, etc. It's very cozy. Then 2023 hit. We all started the new year with COVID.
Oh.
That's horrible, isn't it? Dad ended up with pneumonia and then strokes, and we had nursing homes, nurses, therapists. It was awful. So what did Laurie do?
Yeah.
She says, "I filled my quiet time sewing scrap quilts when I could." That's great therapy.
Isn't it though? Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah.
So let me
especially during sad times.
Absolutely. So this picture, wow, look at that sewing room. She has a,
Oh wow, I see it.
yeah. So is this one in the shed? I'm not quite sure. But this is awesome. Do you see that one I'm put up? She has a long arm with an HQ long arm machine. Oh, how lovely.
Wow, I wish it was on your right hand screen, then I could see it easily.
Oh,
My wife.
You want this one over here?
Can you move it over there? That's it.
I put it there. I thought you could see it better.
No.
Oh, you can see it there.
Yep.
Okay.
I can see it there.
Yeah.
And on my iPad here.
Okay.
So I can see what you're seeing.
And in her shelving unit, she has the like collapsible boxes, which are awesome. I have them all over the place. There's chevron, and her roll of batting. Do you see that?
Yep. And really nice pieces of looks like mahogany coloured furniture. Glass fronted.
Yeah, nice.
And shelves and racks.
And her television, I wonder if that's her, oh yeah, her television is above the one sewing machine. Wow, that's awesome, isn't it?
Really very good.
Nice either hardwood or vinyl flooring. And a nice, tall cutting table. Yeah, it's a nice space, isn't it?
Yes, I think that's probably back in the house.
Okay, how about the next one here?
Tell me.
Is it the other end of the, oh no, is this another room? Oh, yeah, oh, so these are her sewing rooms. Oh, these are different. These are two different sewing rooms, it looks like. Wow, isn't that nice, Ian?
It certainly is well organised.
Do you see that?
Yes.
Lovely stash.
There's a lot of thought gone into this.
Oh, and I do love all of the bits.
Huh.
Very, very nice. So these are two different sewing rooms.
Wow.
Awesome. And then this one. Can you see that one?
Beautiful.
There's
white,
another storage area.
painted, glass fronted, with drawers, unit there.
And books and everything.
Yes, it's
really
impressive.
nice.
Really is nice. Yep.
How lovely that in her hard times she found solace just sewing scraps. What do I always say? Sew a bunch of fabrics, sew a bunch of squares together.
And enjoy the time in your sewing room. So her dad passed away last August. Very sorry to hear that. So she says, I thought for a minute I could reclaim my sewing room, but no, my oldest daughter returned home so she could finish college. So you're still in your superbly appointed, comfortable shed in the garden, maybe? Maybe not in the winter time, I don't know. So we've really enjoyed seeing your sewing rooms there, Laurie. And of course you've included in the photographs your sewing buddies. Thank you for that.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely, isn't it? Really sweet. Yeah. A lot of sadness, sickness, death, but again, as Laurie says, sewing can be a therapy.
Yep.
Can it? Can you attest to that with me?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I like your therapies.
All right. Oh, go on. The email. Get it right. Get it right. You didn't send me pictures.
Dear friends,
Because you always
please send us more sewing room photographs and descriptive emails of the way you enjoy your life as quilters, because it's just great to see them. Please keep them coming to the email.
You do it.
Me? truelovequiltsforyou@gmail.com.
Yes. We only have a few more, so please send your pictures in. If you want to keep seeing Ian, you're so calm and like me.
Oh,
Like,
definitely.
you're
Just
so like me.
This
You're
one.
quiet and calm. All right. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Laurie.
Okay. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.